Comedian Bharti Singh and her husband Harsh, who were arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau here, have been sent to judicial custody until December 4th. Both have applied for bail and their plea will be heard tomorrow. They were arrested on charges of consumption of drugs after 86.5 grams of ganja were recovered from their residence and their production house. As per the NCB, both Bharti and her husband Harsh confessed to consuming ganja. According to public prosecutor, there are charges of drug financing on Harsh as well. In fact, the NCB sleuths are also grilling their domestic help and they are currently trying to identify where they sourced the banned substance from.
The way NCP has been arresting the people who consume the drug, they are addicts. They have to send to the rehabilitation centers, not in jail. The NCP responsibility is there to crack down the drug traffickers, where the drugs are grown, where they produce. Any action against this kind of a big shark, no action has been done by NCP. What should we understand? They are protecting them by giving publicity.
Mustafa Sheikh joining us live for more details. Mustafa, here we are looking at Bharti Singh and her husband going to be in custody until the 4th of December. That's quite a long period. Any idea on what are the charges if proven guilty, considering they've already admitted to consuming the drugs? Now they're also trying to find out where did they access banned substance from and how likely is it that they could get bail?
Yes, Nabila, the live visuals you can see is of Bharti and her husband getting inside a vehicle. They have been shifted to jail because they have been sent to judicial custody. The charges which have been levied against them is of consumption. The maximum imprisonment in that case is of 1 year, and hence they have been easily granted judicial custody. They have applied for bail and it's likely that soon they will get a bail. So in the cases of consumption, there are also provisions in the NDPS Act in which you can apologize in front of the court, you can choose rehabilitation, and you will not be convicted in the case. So there is provisions for first-time offenders, for people who are only in consumption. So that advantage is likely to be with Bharti and her husband. So as of now, they have to apply bail in few days. They'll be out of the jail. As of now, they have been not given NCB custody. They will be in jail custody and soon likely to come out. Back to you.
Right, Mustafa. Thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.